Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. Today's drink dates back to the Prohibition era, when people were like, if we're breaking the law, it better taste amazing. This cocktail could legally end a first date. The cocktail is called The Last Word, because once you serve it, you don't need to keep talking. You've already won. So without further ado, let's get into it. The Last Word was born around 1915 at the Detroit Athletic Club because apparently wealthy men in suits needed something neon green to sip between cigar breaks. It blew up during Prohibition, then promptly disappeared for like 80 years, probably hiding with Bigfoot. In 2004, a Seattle bartender dusted it off and boom, instant cult classic. Proof that sometimes the last word takes a century to get in. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Gin, botanical, elegant, may cause spontaneous Shakespeare quotes. Maraschino Liqueur, tastes like fancy cherry medicine your grandma hid from you. Green Chartreuse, made by monks who clearly knew what sin tasted like. Lime juice, sour enough to make your ex look sweet. Now speaking of Green Chartreuse, this stuff has 130 herbs and a spiritual tax bracket. Treat it with fear and respect. So we're gonna add all of our ingredients to a shaker tin. This cocktail is made of equal parts, like a team project where everyone actually did their job. First, 3/4 of an ounce of gin. I'm using Ford's gin here. Then 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino cherry liqueur. Now, 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. And finally, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Add some nugget ice to your glass to chill it. Here I'm using the E-Cozy ice and water dispenser. Then add some ice to your tin. Now shake it like your landlord's chasing you for rent and you've got opinions. If your neighbors aren't concerned, you're not doing it right. Strain into your classiest glass. No garnish, no umbrellas, no flaming peacocks, no edible flowers named Kevin. This drink walks in, roasts everyone in the room, and moonwalks out. And there you have it, the last word. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. Wow. First you get the lime, sharp, bright, like a citrus slap in the face from someone who says, we need to talk. Then comes the maraschino, sweet, nutty, little floral, like a cherry blossom got into aromatherapy school, but dropped out to follow its dreams. Then the gin shows up, botanical, crisp, quietly judging your posture. Finally, the chartreuse. Well, it kicks in the door, barefoot with a duffel bag full of 130 herbs and emotional baggage. It's like your taste buds got invited to a group chat where everyone's yelling, but it somehow works. This cocktail doesn't ask for permission, it shows up, says what it needs to say, and leaves. This is the last word. Short, punchy, perfect for ending arguments, nights out, or family group chats. Hit like and smash subscribe for more cocktails that taste like they have a PhD and a criminal record. Let the gin speak, let the chartreuse judge, and always shake with conviction. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.